Hello guys, in this video I will show you a very useful Google Chrome extension which can actually reduces a lot of memory and RAM usage inside Google Chrome, and it can actually improve the performance of Google Chrome and the speed of Google Chrome also. So this is auto tab discard. So if you actually open multiple tabs in Google Chrome, this extension will be very useful because what this extension does, it actually closes the memory usage of the tabs which are not active. So by default, the active tab will only get all the RAM. The rest of the tabs will discard all the memory usage. So simply search for this extension, auto tab discard, and this extension will come right here. It will increase the browser speed and reduce memory load when you have numerous tabs open. So click on add to Chrome. So the extension will get added, and once it is added right here, as you see that it will appear like this. So now as you can see, we have various tabs open. So what you need to do, click on that. So once you click on this, basically you can discard all other tabs. Discard tabs in other windows, discard tabs on the left, right, all these options come. So if you want to discard all other tabs, you will select this option. So I select this option, and now what happens, only this tab will get all the memory. Rest of the tabs in the background will not get memory. So once you switch, again it will refresh. Again do this for this as well. So as you open the tab, only a single tab will get all the memory. So this will significantly increase the performance of Google Chrome. So every time you go to a tab, it will refresh. So this is the thing about this extension. You go to this and select from here, discard all other tabs. You can discard this tab if you click on that. So now all the memory which was used by this tab is released. So by installing this extension, I am actually seeing a positive effect on my Google Chrome performance. The speed is also increased when I have multiple tabs open. So this extension really helps me a lot. So definitely install this. It's almost got 2000 users installing this extension. So definitely if you want to improve performance and suspend the memory usage by other tabs in the background, simply install this extension and simply click on that and then select the options. You can discard all other tabs, discard tabs to the right, to the left. You can close this, the right tab, you can close like this. All the options are there.